Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday. You know what that means. The updo comes down and the fro come out. I'm going to refresh my fro using one of the gels in the August curl kit that I bashed. One of the viewers, Valerie Heron, she said the gels were good. So I'm going to give the gels a try. I'm going to try the Shine and Jam gel today. My daughter has used it. She said it's good, so I'm going to try it. All right, here goes nothing. So yeah, today I'm rocking the Updo. I've been rocking this all week. I'm not gonna put too much water on it, and I'm going to put my little scrunchies on to give it some stretch. And in 2 hours, I'm gonna have to take it out and get out of here. So, all right. Oh, that feels so good. Now through the week, I do refresh this just about every night. I refresh this and put some ponytails on it at night and then pin it back up in the morning before I go to work. But something I got this week that has taken my updo to the next level is this little pin. I'm going to take this pin out in a minute and show it to you. But basically, this pin gives me a bump. It makes my hair look fuller or longer, I guess. So, yeah, before I used to twist it up and it was so flat at the back and all of my hair was coming to the front and I would have to pin it down. Well, this little clip I got it from Walmart. It's called the Bandette comb. I've been using this all week. And the thing I like about it is comfortable, because I don't know about y'all. I'm not good at putting these hair clips in my hair to where they're not sticking me in the head or being exposed. This clip has minimized my use of the bobby pins. So I only have a few bobby pins in my hair, which makes it way more comfortable. So let me show y'all this clip. You may want to go out and get this clip because it makes it so much neater and make my hair look so much fuller. All right, so and I have to film this updo, but it's pretty simple. First of all, I just part my hair in 3 sections, boom, boom. And this is basically a ponytail that's been twisted up and clipped down with this clip. It's simply a comb with a scrunchie connected. So this is the clip. Basically, you hook the scrunchie from one side to the other. And this is the comb. Simple, right? Basically, I take my hair, I give it a twist to give me the little bump in the back. I stick the comb in, I pull my hair forward, and I latch it down with this scrunchie and connect it on the other side. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then I take these pieces and cover it up, and then I'll style my front. And that's my updo. And I just like the fact that it gives me that bump in the back because I don't have a lot of hair, but it gives me the illusion of having a lot of hair. So yeah, it's called the Bandette comb. Enough about that. Let's get to what we are here for, and that is trying out this Shine and Jam styler. It's a gel with black castor and flaxseed oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with warm water. Apply the gel. I'm not going to apply an oil or a cream because I actually moisturize my hair every day and I feel like it has enough oils on it. I don't want to weigh it down with too many products. Plus the fact I'm going to wash my hair in about 2 days. So waste the product. Y'all know I like to, I love these things, but they are breaking left and right. I got these clips from Sally's. I gotta get some more because they're breaking. Like this one's about to break now. Jesus. Yeah, I'm down to like 2 now. It's broke. I'm down to 1. God. Ugh. Okay. I'm down to 1 clip. Lord. I'm not going to wet it too much because I don't want too much shrinkage. And I only got 2 hours to let it stretch a little before I have to bounce. So just a little water to get some detangling going. This gel smells it smells like perfume. It smells good. So okay. I like the definition. All right, guys, this is it. I have what, 9 ponytails on my head. Only for stretching purposes. I'll be back in about 2 hours to take these little scrunchies off. Hopefully my fro will be stretched and not too shrunken. I don't expect my hair to be completely dry in 2 hours. That's it. See you in 2 hours. Let me know what you think in the comments. I have heard good things about this gel. So, hey, if it can give me this kind of definition, I'm stoked. And it's not all crunchy, and I don't think it's gonna flake. Thanks guys for watching. I like the jam. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you use the jam? If so, let me know what your results were. Mine seem to be good. I like it. I like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.